Zoe, what are you doing?
No. He's gonna pee on me. Oh. Did you get one?
Got a ball, please. I keep getting one of you not smiling.
Wait.
Got a ball. He's biting me!
How do you get him to let go? I don't know. Oh my goodness.
How did Ella get so close to it?
I don't know.
She went to show Joey the picture.
Let's see.
Here. Oh.
How did that feel?
It looks like it's gonna be okay.
I've never seen anybody get bit by one of those.
Let's see that. Let's see that bite. Turn it over, buddy.
What?
Okay.
Oh, the turtle bit you.
That's it.